Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to write math problems in Google Form. So as you know, math comes with complicated sentences where you need to add some math symbols or uh, math problems that is not provided in your computer or on your keyboard, and you need to do that you need to add on the equation, this one right here, as your extension in your Google Chrome, this one, MathMed Digital. And then when you install it or add it in your Google Form, it will show up like this in your Google Form. And if you want to write the math problems, you can just click on this, and then the equation will show up like this. You can just click on insert math, edit math, this one right here. You can just click on this, and then the text box will show up. You can just start typing here, and if you want to add some symbols, you can just click on the three dots icon, and here the symbols. Okay, you can see there are so many math symbols that you can use in your math problems in Google Forms. So just for example, I want to add some fraction. Okay, for example, like this, and then add some symbol again, click on fraction again, like this, and then when you're done edit the math problem, just click on insert math, and the math problems will be added into your question in Google Form. That's so easy, right? Okay, so that is how you can write math problems in Google Form. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.